Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making yam and egg sauce. So let's just start our prepping. Cut all your onions, your tomato, then prep your egg. Put them in a bowl with seasoning. You can always leave that to last, but I feel if you prep early enough, then everything is fast and smooth. You're not removing your hand from one thing to do another thing. It's just a straight route from there. Into a pan, add in your oil and allow the oil to get hot a bit before adding in your onions. Then allow that onion to get cooked a bit before adding all your spices. The key method to this best yam and egg sauce is the spices getting fried a bit before adding any other thing, or is you adding your spices before adding any other thing. So those are the key methods you take out from this video if you are going to make one as mine, or might be taste better than mine or taste as mine. Just use this method. So add in that tomato of yours and allow that to cook. Then add in your fresh green and red pepper. So this just give it a bit of color. I'm not adding any chili or any Scotch bonnet because a toddler is eating. So I allow this to cook for a while, then I beat in my egg. Remember at the beginning of this video, we prepped everything, but I didn't beat it then. So after beating my egg, I still set aside for a bit. Then I'm adding in my titles. Yeah, I didn't show you where I prepped. It's just you opening the can and putting it in a bowl. There's nothing big deal about the titles at all, or the sandine at all. So I like this to cook for about 2 minutes. You can eat the titles fresh, so that's what I just did. Then I stir in so that they can marinate well together. Then after that, I check in on my yam. Yeah, I'm using the opportunity to check in on my yam, and by the time I'm opening it, checking it, the yam is ready. So that's to show that it takes the same minutes we are preparing our egg sauce and our yam to get ready. Can you see? You can make your yam and egg in 20 minutes. Yeah, that's why we do it for breakfast a lot in Nigeria. But it's so hard to get yam here, like very, very expensive. The most common thing they can see at the cheapest price is potato. Like, I'm just so tired of it. So by this time, my egg sauce is ready to be poured in. Then I poured it in and allowed it to sit a bit. But I made one mistake here, which I'm going to tell you. Lydia'skitchen will tell you how the food is exactly. So by the time I pour in my egg, I was meant to reduce the fire, but I did not. By the time when you pour in your egg, you allow it to sit a bit before you turn, if not to be too softened. So I had a bit of chili here, just dried chili, just to give it a bit of kick. As a Yoruba girl I am, can't just eat without chili at all. But I added just a bit of it though. So yeah, that's it. My egg got burnt a bit more. It still give it more flavor really, but I won't want yours to be burnt. Okay, so when you're pouring in your egg and you want the egg to sit, you're not turning at all, just reduce the fire a bit, so that way everything marinate and come together and they're whole boiled. So at this rate, really, my egg sauce is ready. Can you see how beautiful, how luscious, how good this is looking? Imagine the look. Now just imagine the taste. I'm salivating right now. I can't wait to eat. So, and this is my yam. There's nothing much about yam than you washing and prepping and just pouring it in hot water with a bit of salt too. Because I just noticed I didn't even say anything about it. The egg is the cocoa of the matter here. So this is me just plating, just to see how I'm eating egg with yam, not yam and I'm not me eating yam with egg. This is me eating egg with yam. Yeah, that's just it. Because I'm not so much of a yam fan, but I love pounded yam. I don't know why. So I could just literally eat egg with yam, not yam with egg. But my family enjoyed it. I hope you guys will enjoy yours as well. So do drop me a comment and tell me how yours goes. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.